It's April 3rd, about 2 o'clock. My bucket's doing the battery thing again. You see it goes for a little bit. It's going real slow. Got it cranked all the way up too fast. I'm holding the controls down. And it goes for a little bit, then stops. It's going, stops, real slow. Still holding the controls, haven't let go of the controls. I'll go side to side a little bit, go the other way. Keep running it. Maybe my truck will turn back on. Goes, stops. Runs for about 5 seconds, then stops. Still holding the controls. Going down real slow. Stops, goes. The truck still hasn't turned itself back on yet. Oh, there it goes. Now the truck's on. Oh, there it goes. The truck's trying to turn itself on, but it keeps shutting off. That's new. The truck's still off, but it tried to turn itself on. It tried to start. Oh, there it goes. Turn itself on. Turning fast. Immediately it goes fast again. Going up. Oh, now it shut itself back off. And it's slow again. The truck turns itself on, the bucket goes fast, and then the truck shuts itself off, and it's going really slow again. Side to side. I'll let go of the controls. Let it sit, see if the truck turns itself back on again. Still in the fast position. Try to go all the way down, see what happens. My inverter's been shutting itself off too. Let me just check and see what the inverter says. I don't know if you can see it, but it says low. The red light is on the low input voltage on my inverter. So my inverter is also shutting off while I'm using the bucket, draining the battery.